This is the stock analysis for Shutterstock, a very important company in the US market that, sells, it's like a broker for photography and videos and all that. I am a member of this company because I am also a photographer and I have shared many of my photos and time lapses on this particular company. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the stock analysis for Shutterstock, ticker SSTK, and you're going to see and learn, hopefully, what price action, how price action and supply and demand will influence the price of this particular stock or the stock market, any stock really, and how price action will help the stock to rally over there and why we are expecting all that. So stay tuned until the end of the video to learn, little tips. Probably, maybe you will know them, but you will see how I look at the markets. So, first of all, I want to stress that you can use any trading strategy, okay, to trade stocks, any intraday, short-term scalping. You may scalp on the way up many times. You can do long-term like now. You can use long-term trading strategies for stocks, price action as well. I'm using supply and demand and price action, as you probably know. So here, right at the bottom, we've got a demand level, okay? And look at the basic structure, little tiny candles followed by a large ERC candle, okay? Same thing here, okay? That one didn't play out. It was not good to go long over there. It's a long explanation, but that was not a valid position. But then when it gets to the origin of the move over there in the monthly time frame, remember this is the monthly time frame of this stock. So you can see price action over here. That price drops, bases a little bit, and starts to react. And on the monthly right now, this is February 2024. If we zoom in a little bit more, whoops, one sec. We're going to see that the reaction has been really strong, okay? Over there. Very strong. So it is reacting to a strong imbalance over there. Then price drops down there strongly. If you look at the smaller time frames, you're going to see that, everything was like bearish at the time. Okay. Here, daily time frame, which is the largest time frame that most people will take into consideration. So we've got like strong bearish impulse, it prints a low, then it rallies. Oh wow, this is going to reverse. No, it keeps on dropping, and then it keeps on dropping, and it keeps on dropping. And then here, suddenly we see like, this is the monthly demand level that I mentioned before, okay? This is the proximal line sitting at $37 per share. And now we can see like a large gap over there, another gap over there. So there's something going on over here, okay? Why? Well, it reached that demand level at the all-time lows, and then suddenly on the daily we start seeing that the price action dynamics for this particular time frame is changing. And why is it changing? Because we have a demand level on the monthly time frame, remember? Okay, you can go back in the video to review it. I'm going to take a look at it. I'm going to go back to it, okay? So you can use, if you start looking at the indicators, oscillators, CCI, RSI, and all that, this will be oversold. And then suddenly you're going to get like entering the oscillators, entering into overbought area probably. So this is like telling you, if you are using those indicators, you can use price action strategies, indicators, oscillators in smaller time frames. I'm not doing that, but I'm saying that you can do that, okay? So here you can see the gap, large gap from here to there, and then another gap that's like 3 times smaller, and then it continues to rally, okay? And then suddenly it drops strongly, and probably there is some kind of earnings report, positive or negative. Usually when they are negative into demand, it will rally, and the opposite. If we have positive earnings and it reaches a strong supply level, it will drop. It will do exactly the opposite that you're expecting. That's why I don't use fundamental analysis for stock analysis or ETFs or anything, because when a bigger time frame imbalance is taking control, and imbalances are made of price action, okay, as you can see here on the monthly. So after such a strong rally on the monthly, okay, we are expecting stock to drop all the way down to the origin of the move. And that is exactly what is going on for this stock, for Shutterstock on the monthly time frame. So what are the expectations for this particular stock? We are expecting price to rally all the way up there and probably even higher. This is going to react. I mean, this is a very strong demand supply level on the monthly time frame. So it tried to reach that supply level. It would have been a great place to go short, but it fell short of retracing to that area. Okay, so price action wise, then price created like a doji there, an evening star, and then from there it just dropped all the way down to the monthly demand level where we can start thinking of going long. As you can see here now, this is a large bullish wick, and we are expecting this. Okay, we are expecting also the highs to be broken. The next stop is here, the next one here, and the next one all-time highs. So let's take a look on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see now better what's happening. This is the monthly demand level, okay, the one that we mentioned before. And look, on the monthly time frame, we could see that large bullish wick, okay. So we've got an imbalance here on the weekly. This price action is crap. This is a mess. This is nothing, okay. There is not a single large impulse like here. So we are expecting price to drop all the way down, and it almost reached, that imbalance sitting around probably $736.5 per share. And look at the reaction. So probably that was some kind of news or price target maintained with $6 per share by Needham. I don't know. Well, those are analysts predicting what's going to happen. So the prediction and the price action analysis for this stock is obviously bullish. Like I said, if these highs are broken, then this is the next stop. And then we are going to have the next target here. This is going to be penetrated. I don't know, probably until there or even higher. But that's the expectation. So we can expect in the following months, probably 2024, that the price action and supply and demand right now in control with showing this bullishness, it will help Shutterstock, American stock, to rally all the way up there. So obviously this is not going to happen like that. Okay, it's going to be like F1 flows like this, and then it drops, it rallies, and creates new imbalances. You can use smaller time frame price action strategies and supply and demand strategies to go all the way up. Okay, so you can use option strategies, bullish ones, sell premium, buy premium, whatever you want, but bullish. Okay, so we can sell, we can buy when we trade, or we can do nothing. So in this case, selling is not part of the equation. Doing nothing is not part of the equation, which is what we do most of the time when we trade. We have to patiently wait. So the only option that we have is to buy. Hopefully you will like this video, and hopefully also you will take advantage of any trading opportunity using whatever strategy you're using, okay? Because this is what we are expecting on Shutterstock, American stock, okay? So if you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. You will get more videos like this. Have a great day.